News now, scary moments at the U of M baseball game tonight. A young boy shot his mom at the game against UT Martin.
Yeah, that's right. It happened not long after the game began, and police say it was an accident. Local 24 News reporter Rebecca Butcher live at USA Stadium with what we're learning tonight. Rebecca.
Yeah, good evening, Katina, and also Richard. Well, authorities have since cleared the stadium, USA Stadium here in the Millington area, and this area is now closed off for the night. We do know from police that the child found the gun inside of a car inside of the stadium, which was on display during this game, then accidentally shot his mother while thousands were in attendance tonight. Now, we also know from authorities that the child fired the gun. He was between the ages of 8 and 10 years old. We also know that he was a Millington elementary student, and he found the pistol inside of an antique World War II car. Chief Mark Dunbar says it was in an unsecured bag. Now, the child then injured his mother inside of that stadium just before 6:30 earlier this evening. Tonight, the University of Memphis baseball team was playing against UT Martin in the annual Babe Howard Classic. The injured mother, well, she was soon rushed to the hospital to Regional 1, is now listed in stable condition.
Everybody's got a right to carry if they got a carry permit, but you need to use common sense about securing your weapons. Juvenile believed it was a toy gun. He picked the gun up, pulled the trigger, and accidentally shot his mother.
And both teams tonight, UT Martin and also the University of Memphis, did agree to suspend the game following the shooting incident. Meanwhile, the owner of the gun, well, he is still detained tonight, and charges authorities say are possible. Of course, stay with us for the very latest on this case. We're live tonight in Millington. I'm Rebecca Butcher, Local 24 News.